Hello everyone, my name is Samuel William. Welcome to Earn in Dollars. It's been a while that I've posted a video, but I'm working on my second YouTube channel, and that is why. Sorry for not posting. And in this video, I'm just going to show you this macro network. This macro network will be able to earn you 2,500 naira. And if you refer someone that is more than 14k, and if you complete capture, you can see now, or macro benefits, you are going to earn more than macro benefit is daily. And I'm just going to paste the link to this macro network on Telegram we build on the description of this video. Just go and look for the description, and you are going to see the link there. If you want to get started, you can see now after you click the link, and make sure that you download the Telegram app. You can see it's just going to bring you here. You can see now Marco Network is an internet-based application that operates on the Telegram platform. It allows users to earn monetary rewards by completing tasks. These tasks are international, designed to be simple and easy to understand, and new tasks are added regularly. You can see now the platform main objective is to provide a reliable source of income for all users, and it is open to anyone with internet access. By using macro network, you have the opportunity to generate income through three different methods. You can see now, you can see number one is receive a reward of 2,000 for every user you successfully invite, and the second one is complete tasks that to earn a daily macro bonus of 2,500. Yes, self capture tax and earn 100 naira. So this is the capture tax that we earn you 100 naira, and this is the macro benefit that is we earn you 2,500. What you just have to do is to click on this link, and after, you can see now start. Just you can see it's just going to write it here start, and you can see now after you have just get started, make sure that you click on this video description. Go to the link under this video description, is going to be there. I'm going to write it there, and you can see now that I have 2,000 macro. Can see now 2,500. Let me check my balance, and I can see my balance is 2,000. So you can earn more than 14,000. I have made from I opened it. My own was 10k like this, and it hasn't even reached 12 hours. You can see now 10,000. It hasn't reached 12 hours, and you can see that that is amazing. I'm not telling like that. You can make more than 14,000 if you invite more people and if you complete tasks, and earn more than 14,000 daily, and that is small about that. And this micro network is going to be changing. Like, they are going to be changing the tax. It's not going to be one tax that you are going to do. And maybe it's like saw someone that okay, and you can see now that kindly be informed that it's necessary to furnish your bank account details at this moment to file. Okay, if you want to withdraw, can see now minimum of 5,000 withdrawal. Okay, when you fight more people, you are going to withdraw. That's how it works, and you complete tax. So just make sure that you complete this tax and you invite people with your link. So once you get your link is, and see now this is the link. If you want to get your link, but don't use this link. You can see now, don't use this link. I'm just going to paste my link there, and that's how you are going to get your own link, and you are going to give it to people that you want to invite through WhatsApp, through Facebook, through maybe Telegram, or through WhatsApp, through Twitter X, through Instagram. Can do that, can give it to people. And this is how the network work. You can see now that my balance is 2,500 for now, and if I invite more people, it's going to be more than that. When you invite people, they are going to give you a reward of 2,000 naira. And thanks you for watching my YouTube video. I'm going to see you my next video, and make sure that you click on this link that is going to link you to Marco Network on this video description. Make sure that you click on that link. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.